So the update you guys have all been asking for. And what I've been thinking precisely, how am I going to document this particular restoration? Up until now, I gave you guys a teaser as to what the 325 IS was all about. I stripped out the interior. You can see that in the previous videos. I might leave a link down in the comment section below. But more importantly, a lot of progress has been taking place over the last few days. Well, more so the last few weeks. But I want to take you guys through how I do my restorations, and every aspect of the restoration will be documented. So it's not just going to be boom, slam bam, there we go. There's the IS looking all beautiful. Now I'm going to take you guys through everything, and I'm going to try and document as much as possible, from the electroplating side to the sandblasting side to the powder coating side. A lot of stuff will be documented. So without further ado, this might be a short-ish video, but without further ado, let me take you guys through the current preparation on the car. So let's start off on the engine bay. Majority of the guys, when they say they're doing a restoration, they will leave the motor on the inside, take some of that type of plastic and wrap it around the motor and just spray here, there, everywhere. That's not the way we're gonna do it here. So I've stripped out everything from the motor. You can see we have a little bit of surface rust here that's gonna be prepared. We're gonna have to clean up there. There's some old spray paint there that we're gonna have to clean up once it's all done. But everything is out of the car. We're gonna give this engine bay a complete respray on the inside. I'm not gonna remove this here because guys will then think it's a Code 3 vehicle. I'm gonna keep this here, but everything is out. Shock mountings is out, towers is out, everything is out. I got a brand new heat shield from Germany that has arrived for this particular aspect, so that will look new. I'll anodize and coat all of these items here. I got a new heat shield there at the bottom for the engine mount coming from Germany as well. Not for the engine mounting, it's a control arm coming there. I'll remake all the brake lines over on that side there. I have a new cover already for this year. I have new fender linings, and you can see here on the fender linings, the entire fender inside fender well was covered with this black sort of bitumen. So what we did was we got it clean as far as possible. This here looks to be paint, so we'll repaint this inside section of the fender well on all four corners. Everything will be masked off and so forth. The bonnet has been prepared. You can see there's a little bit of dirt and grime. That was because when we were cleaning here, some of it sprayed over on here, but all the dents and everything has been removed as well. And you can see here underneath there was a cover. We cleaned it up here. You can have a look. So everything here is absolutely spick and span. So we'll spray this off the car. We'll spray the fenders off the car as well. You can see it has been prepared. All the dings, all the dents have all been taken care of. The inside of this fender well, you can see as well, has been cleaned. Right, has been cleaned. All of this has been prepared. The top has been prepared. The doors will be out so we can spray the inside of the jams. These windows will come out as well. The mirrors are there. This fender well as well, you can see we're going to have to tidy up here. Somebody has already been here with the spray gun. You can have a look and see all of these items here. We'll need to get new nuts, plastic nuts to go there. So all these items has been prepared and is ready for spray. Hopefully we'll be able to spray all the small parts here. The balance of the car we'll take to the spray booth. Now let's show you what are the new stuff that we got for the car. So I know it looks a little bit like a mess because we have a whole lot of parts here, but trust me, it's organized chaos. So here we have a brand new OEM front bumper, right? And here we have the bottom spoiler for the IS as well. So all of these parts have been prepared and will be put onto the vehicle. And yeah, that's about the 325 IS so far for now. So I'll document it into a multi-part series so that we can have a look and see each and every component. The suspension is currently being prepared by the sandblasters, and that will be powder coated. Hopefully we'll get that back later today. And yeah, and every nut and bolt will be anodized, will be galvanized, will be zinc plated. Yeah, whatever, 9 karat, 20 karat, 30 karat gold, we can do it. But nonetheless, let me give you guys a quick glimpse as to the E36. Now what I've done on the E36 M3 is I've resprayed a lot of the panels on the car because I wasn't happy with the quality. There was imperfections within the clear of the car. So we're busy polishing the car, and as we the car is currently been polished. I've done the one side of the car. I have to rewash this car. I have to do the bonnet again. But again, I have new. What I don't like is I don't like how this front bumper is sitting. So there you can see two brand new OEM front bumper, rear bumpers that's gonna go on this bad boy. And yeah, we're busy cleaning, putting on beadings, putting on, there's new brand new side sills that's going on the car. So all of this here will be revealed in time. Put a brand new front window, refurbishing the sunroof as well. You can see some of the components are brand new. So like these arms are all brand new, so we're going to change all of these arms and so forth so that we have a proper working sunroof. And I have a brand new roof lining, all OEM, with side pillars and so forth. It's going to go into the car, so the car is going to look pretty decent. So that's a quick and short upload for today. Hopefully there'll be multiple videos every day. I'm gonna try, depending on suppliers and how quickly they can provide us with the parts back from sandblasting, wherever it is. But till we meet again, guys, peace.